Welcome to our 2025 guide on connecting your Godaddy email to your Wix account. Let's make your online communication seamless. Before we start, ensure you have an active Godaddy email account and a Wix account ready to go. First, let's access your Godaddy email settings. Log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the email section. Next, we'll obtain the necessary DNS records from Godaddy. Look for the DNS management page. Now, log into your Wix account. Once you're in, head to the email settings. It's time to enter the DNS records obtained from Godaddy into your Wix account. Make sure to fill in each field correctly. After making DNS changes, remember that propagation can take some time. Patience is key. Once the changes have propagated, test your email functionality to confirm the connection is successful. In case of issues, check your DNS entries for accuracy and ensure that there are no typos. Connecting your Godaddy email to Wix is essential for effective communication. Thanks for watching.